Hey guys, it's Gravel Guru. I am back with one package Mailday from CnC with JT Go Leafs, former YouTuber, which he was also known as JT Go Leafs. So I'm going to be opening that with you guys. So let's get opening. All of these cards are for my PC, so none of them are for trade. So he wrote Gravel Guru. So as I said, none of these are for trade for my PC. So I'm going to start off. Let me just put them in order. There we go. So from 11-12 SPX, also known as there's a topper pack, which is the ice pack. I have Matt Fraden at a $4.99, so Ice Premier's rookie at a $4.99. So from 11-12 Panini Primetime rookie jumbo jersey of Matt Fraden out of 99, 40 out of 99. From 11-12 Ultimate Autograph Ultimate Rookies of Matt Fraden out of $2.99. These are all Matt Fraden cards for my PC that I need. From 11-12 SP Game Used Rookie Exclusives Autograph out of 100. 67 out of 100. Good focus. Won't focus, but 67 100. Sticker auto. I thought it was on card, but that's still fine. And probably the best card from the trade, from 11-12 Panini Titanium rookie dual signatures of Joe Colborn and Matt Fraden, 17 out of 50. Won't focus, sorry about that, guys. But as you guys could tell, Joe Colborn, he still plays on the Leafs, but Matt Fraden got traded. But really nice card. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the trade, JT Go Leafs. Guys, go check him out if you have a CnC account. He's a great trader. Awesome additions to my Matt Fraden PC. So thank you guys for watching. Oh, and I didn't show this. Thanks. Pretty sure it says, I'm not really sure what that says, so thank you for that, and I'll see you guys next time.